Hello students, you are connected to your English online class. I welcome you all here. Students, we are going to start Brevia Fundamental Grammar and Composition, and today is the turn to go through chapter 1. Topic is nouns and its kinds. So let's go for the exercises. We are going to do exercise number 1.3, and this exercise is relating to abstract nouns. We have to fill in the blanks with abstract nouns formed from the words given in the brackets. So the words are given here and we have to frame abstract noun from these words. So here we are. At first place, dash shows the man as morning shows the day. So we see the word child is given here. So from the word child, we will make up the word childhood. So we will mention the word here childhood. Childhood means bachpan. Childhood, as it is the early stage of a human being, similarly as morning to a day. Next is dash binds people together. The word is friend. आपस में लोगों को क्या जोड़ के रखता है? फ्रेंड से क्या बनेगा? फ्रेंडशिप. The word friendship will come here. जो फ्रेंडशिप होती है, मित्रता, दोस्ती जिसको आप बोलते हैं, वो बांध के रखती है ना, फ्रेंडशिप. नेक्स्ट इज he was praised for his dash. In bracket brave. Brave means bahadur, and the word will become abstract noun of brave will become bravery. He was praised for his bravery. उसकी किस लिए तारीफ की गई? For his bravery means बहादुरी. The dash of the rains after a long period of drought brought dash to the people. The arrival of the rains, the arrival of the rains after a long period of drought. Drought means सूखा. Brought cheer to the people. Brought cheer to the people. As you can't measure how cheer are you feeling, so it's an abstract noun. I thank you for your dash towards me. From the word kind, the abstract noun will become kindness. Dayaluta. You can't measure, but you can feel how kind the person is. I thank you for your kindness towards me. Next is they were treated with much cruel. With the word cruel, we will make a word cruelty. Next is her dash is a tale of dash. Her life means life. Her life is a tale of dash. Her life is a tale of sorrow. Sorry लिखे ना यहाँ पर. Her life is a tale of sorrow. उसकी जिंदगी दुख भरी कहानी है. Her life is a tale of sorrow. Here sorry word is given. So at number 8 we see that there is no dash in his dash. There is no truth. Again we can't measure truth. There is no truth in his state से बन जाएगा statement. Nine, dash is better than dishonor. Die से we will frame death. Death is better than dishonor. At number 10 class we see the dash of food and money is known to all. The usefulness, उपयोगिता. The usefulness of food and money is known to all. We should know the importance of food and money. Next is 11th, dash creates dash. Anger creates bitterness. गुस्से से क्या आती है? खटास आती है रिश्तों में. नेक्स्ट इज 12th, डैश डिस्ट्रॉयज डैश. नाउ द वर्ड इज गिवन सस्पिशियस. अब स्टूडेंट सस्पिशियस तो नेचर होता है ना, सो सस्पिशियन द वर्ड यू विल राइट हेयर. सस्पिशियन डिस्ट्रॉयज. हेयर फ्रेंड से बन जाएगा फ्रेंडशिप. शक जो है वो फ्रेंडशिप को ख़त्म कर देता है. सस्पिशियन डिस्ट्रॉयज फ्रेंडशिप. एवरीबडी सीक्स कंफर्ट एंड प्लीज से बन जाएगा प्लेजर. इट्स द वर्ड प्लेजर. एवरीबडी सीक्स कंफर्ट एंड प्लेजर. I love you from the dash of my heart, from the depth of my heart. दिल की गहराई. As you love your parents. Next is dash is hard to describe but easy to recognize. Beauty. Beauty is hard to describe but easy to recognize. Next is dash gives dash. Free से we will develop abstract noun freedom. Freedom gives happiness. हमें जो फ्रीडम है, आज़ादी से हमें खुशी मिलती है. फ्रीडम गिव्स हैप्पीनेस. नेक्स्ट इज 17th, डैश कम्स फ्रॉम एफर्ट्स. सो सक्सेस, सफलता किससे आती है? एफर्ट से. सक्सेस कम्स फ्रॉम एफर्ट. At number 18 we see dash and progress seldom go together. Laziness. If a person is lazy, so can he do progress? Laziness and progress seldom go together. वो शायद ही इकट्ठे जाएं. क्या? आलस और उन्नति. Laziness and progress seldom go together, and it's true, we know it well. At 19th, dash and dash are two sides of same coin. Happy, happiness. Happiness and honest, honesty. Happiness and honesty are the two sides of the same coin. They are the best friends. They always reside together. Next is dash often assures victory. Patient, patience. Patience होता है बेटा सहनशीलता, धैर्य रखना. Patience. Keep on moving towards efforts. Patience often assures victory. आप patience के साथ वर्क हार्ड करते जाते हैं तो victory is assured. Dash causes dash. Now we see that poverty, गरीबी, poverty causes hardship. जहाँ पर poverty होगी वहाँ पर hardships, मुश्किलें जो होती हैं वो बढ़ती जाती हैं. Hardship. Okay. I hope class that this exercise is quite clear to you. I instruct you while filling in your Bravia, do it by your own to have good grasp on the topic. So we are going to sum up our video here. Thanks for watching. Keep on learning. Good.